Good evening everyone and a very warm welcome to your trusted file for all that's in style. Fashion, arts, culture and soul. That's pretty much the essence of this city and we enjoy putting it all together for you. आज के शाम भी हम आपके लिए दुबई का जलवा पेश करने वाले हैं और शुरू करते हैं होम ग्रोन ब्रांड आइकॉनिक के स्प्रिंग समर ट्रेंड्स के संग। The very talented Theo Fannell is up next with his stunning creation. And now for some absolutely fascinating art at the Absolute Art Collection in Dubai. And for those of you who have a zest for art, then Reflections from Art Zest is the place to be at. Bonhams recently had its first dedicated photograph sale in Dubai alongside its annual Top Orientalist art auction, which was held at one and only Royal Mirage. Let High Lab Dubai give you an inside peek. Uske baad, Philadelphia pays tribute to inspiring women across the GCC in the Philadelphia Spread Some Inspiration campaign. And we wrap up with yet another event that salutes women with the Great Women Awards. After celebrating the success of women in India for 10 years, it's great to see this initiative in this region. So be ready to be glamorized and be inspired on the only show that guarantees you just that. Stay tuned with us on High Life Dubai. Spring is here and so are the latest collections in almost every fashion store worth its salt. The warm and heavy colors of winter which dawned the racks through the last 6 months are now replaced by light heavenly fabrics adorned with fabulous vivid colors. Black and white fashions define the trend of this season. तो चलिए spring summer trends को गौर से देखते हैं. Let's go over to the iconic fashion show. Iconic, the one-stop wardrobe solution, houses various departments within the store, forming mini islands to give the customer a fashion offering that includes denim, trends, formals, boutique, street, sport, beach and intimates. The trend section features the latest looks, which are updated every week, while the street section, a first of its kind offering in the region, features pieces heavily influenced by the young, vibrant street culture, music and attitude.
Honestly, this fashion show is all about the clothes. What we've really done is made the theme very exciting. It's all about icons of the silver screen. So it's glamour, it's shishing, it's color, it's pop. It's a lot of fun. It incorporates every single department of ours. I think in terms of styling, it definitely has moved on since last time.
The fashion show today, of course, we are showcasing whatever is in the store just now and whatever is going to be in the store for the next 2 months. It's our spring-summer collection, and we are restricting it to the 50s and 60s look.
They're so way ahead of the game when it comes to style, when it comes to cost, when it comes to everything fashionable. I really, really love this place. You know, it's so cool, it gives you a different air, it's away from all the other hustle and bustle of the bigger malls. Nisha and Raza has just done a brilliant job on this.
I was the head of the hairstyling team. I had a wonderful hair and makeup team with me. So all credit goes to the 6 people that's done everything today here. It's a great fun and privilege to be able to do the iconic show. We all know Iconic is quite new on the scene, and they cater for all ages.
I thought it was amazing. I loved the product. The dresses look wow. The models look wow. The drama was amazing.
I thought it was very cutting edge, great fashion.
I loved it. I loved the fact that it was very retro.
Iconic has filled in a space that the youth of Dubai was looking for, offering a mix of high street and high-end fashion trends. And now, we'll bring on to our show an internationally recognized designer who's inspired by the latest and revolutionary trends as much as he is by the ancient and classic. He's Britain's best-known jewelry and silver designer, Theo Fennell. In Dubai to host a party to celebrate B Collection, the renowned London-based designer Theo Fennell created a store with a glowing pink theme. The la-di-da of Dubai gathered to view both his new fine jewelry, including unique pieces and silver jewelry collections at the beautiful one and only The Palm Dubai. Theo's style is inspired by the classic as well as the contemporary. He uses both traditional skills and the most cutting-edge techniques. Along with creating pieces of stunning beauty, he is also an innovator who stretches the boundaries of his craft, pioneering new settings, exploring unusual themes, using gems of exceptional color and quality in dramatic ways.
Well, I get inspired by all sorts of things, both man-made and nature. And I've always believed that if you keep your eyes open and your mind open, enough influences will come into them to fill up even an empty sketchbook. And I edit what I then do, and we end up with these things here. But I like every piece of jewelry to have a story, and every piece to be made so well that you can look at the back, the side, everywhere, and see just how detailed it is. I really think a piece of jewelry should be forever. You can find it in Dubai, in Bloomingdale's, and you can find it in the Emirate Towers, and you can find it in Harvey Nichols, in all those places with the Altair Group. And it starts with a new collection, not terribly expensive, it really isn't, with the Alias collection, and it goes up to many, many hundreds of thousands, but it starts nicely for the young at heart and the young of pocket.
The Theo Fennell jewellery collection for spring-summer this year is super high fine jewellery. There's lots of diamonds, amethysts, and he told me earlier today that there was a huge emphasis on bees, because he said that when he's getting inspired for his collection, he loves to listen to the sound of the bees, and it makes him think of beautiful designs.
I really love the collection, and yeah, I really love the collection, and in particular I really like the pendant with the key. I think they were like really, really, really great, and I'd love to have one.
The collection is very, very exquisite. It's very typical of his design. It's very familiar, and I particularly like the familiarity.
I loved all of the pieces. I find them extremely individual with lots of different stones, and I absolutely, absolutely love the chunky rings.
It was a charmingly designed evening. The room glowed with pink lights and was decorated with swarming displays of pink bees and butterflies. The collections were displayed in vibrant pink cabinets with jewelry hanging from twisted black twigs and crawling with giant pink insects. Perfectly unique and uniquely highlights Dubai. And now let's break into a short break. I'll see you in a bit. Coming up after the break is a glamorous evening of absolute art, followed by another culture-rich evening of contemporary art and an auction at Bonham's Very High Life.